Hello and welcome to the footplate. We need to identify the controls that you'll be using today. Firstly, we have the reverser that controls the direction of the locomotive forward and back. It's preset for you in the forward position. Secondly, the brakes that we will apply gently to bring the locomotive to a stand or fully in the case of emergency. Thirdly, the regulator, which we will open gently to allow steam for the pistons and driving hands and forward to let the wheels go around, and open still a bit further if you want to go faster. And finally, the whistle, which we will blow as a warning. Hello and welcome to the footplate. We need to identify the controls that you'll be using today. Firstly, we have the reverser that controls the direction of the locomotive forward and back. It's preset for you in the forward position. Secondly, the brakes that we will apply gently to bring the locomotive to the stand or fully